Hello, it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. So today guys, we're going to be unboxing day number 12 of the Birchbox Advent Calendar. Okay, so in here we have a Nuxe product, and it's something that I'm not the best at pronouncing, we all know this. It is a Prodigieux. Anyway, it is a beautifying scented body lotion with precious botanical oils. It moisturises, leaves a satin finish and illuminates, and it is for all skin types. So in here we get 30 ml of product, and when I looked online, the next nearest size I could get was the travel size, they call it, and it was 100 ml, and that costs you £10. So, you know, not too bad, but this must be like more of a sample size product. So I'm just going to let you know what it says on the back. A legendary fragrance and an ultra-sensory melt-in texture for morning and or night, and it is paraben free. Okay, so I'm not going to pop it on my body at the moment, but I will just pop it on my hands quickly and let you know what I think of it and what it smells like, because I'm guessing that's part of the thing. If I can get it open. Oh, okay. It has a seal on it. I'm an idiot. Oh, God. Okay, so let's try that again. Okay, so here we are, we're open. So if I pop a little bit on my hand. I probably put too much on there, but never mind. A little rub in. Feels really nice and moisturising. Okay, then now to give it a little smell. It's not like a crazy smell, it's very subtle. It's like a little hint of perfume almost. It's a pleasant smell, don't get me wrong, it's not as strong as I was expecting. But it is very nice, it means it won't overwhelm any of the scents you're wearing. And if you suppose you're putting on a body lotion, it's probably something that's more, perhaps you're doing it before bed, or like after you shower, before you're getting ready and putting all your perfumes and things on. So it's probably nicer, it's more of a subtle thing. Probably more aromatic as you're rubbing it in, which is really nice. It's quite a pampery kind of thing, isn't it? So that's nice, it feels nice, it's dried in really quickly, which is nice. So I think that's a nice little product for day number 12. So guys, that's everything. If you've liked the video, then please hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And remember to subscribe if you haven't already, because there will be an Advent unboxing every day up until the 24th of December. I don't think we have 25. So until tomorrow in my next video, I will see you very soon. Bye bye. Ah!